Hello everyone, today we are telling you that NASA has done a new experiment, but before that please subscribe. China's successful experience of growing rice in space. China has successfully experimented with growing rice in space for the first time. The experiment could have important implications for future long-duration missions. Chinese astronauts, known as taikonauts, performed the experiment at the Vientiane Space Laboratory. The laboratory was launched on July 24 and is currently attached to the main module of the Tiangong space station. This is the first time that scientists have attempted the complete process of growing rice, from a seed to a plant that can produce its own seeds, in a zero-gravity environment. Taikonauts, or Chinese astronauts, are also experimenting with a plant called Arabidopsis thaliana in space. This plant belongs to the mustard family and is often used in climate change studies. Professor Hui Qiongzhen, a researcher at the Chinese Academy of Sciences, said rice is growing well. We want to know how microgravity can affect plant flowering time at the molecular level and whether it is possible to use a microgravity environment to control this process. Rice is one of the most popular foods on the International Space Station and has been a staple for astronauts since the Apollo missions. NASA astronauts Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, and Buzz Aldrin ate a diet of freeze-dried chicken and rice during the Apollo 11 mission.